how to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. This will take you to settings and activity. Scroll down and under who can see your content, tap on account privacy. And if it is set to public, then toggle on the private account feature. So once you switch to private, only your followers will be able to see your following and follower list, and anyone who you have not followed will not be able to see your Instagram followers and following list. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.